So, here's the secret the big collection agencies don't want you to know. You can erase a collection from your credit report in minutes. Yeah, it's true. And it's free. The secret is in the script. If you have an open collection on your credit report, you can legally have it removed almost instantly. I just got a $6,500 collection removed using Credit Karma's built-in dispute button. Here's what I did. I opened the collection in Credit Karma first. I clicked Dispute. When prompted for a reason, I selected Other Reason from the drop-down list and pasted this text. You are reporting this collection as an open account, which is not under FCRA compliance. This is inaccurate reporting and needs to be removed immediately. That's it. Within minutes, my collection was gone. Big collection agencies don't want you to know this trick, but now you do. So take control of your credit report and give it a try. You might just see a big difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others fix their credit too.